In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Cloudflare to Wix so you can manage your domain settings while keeping your website connected properly. If you're new to this process, the main steps involve adding your domain to Cloudflare, updating your name servers, and confirming that your Wix website is still connected correctly. First, sign in to your Cloudflare account and add your custom domain. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records and import them automatically. Take a moment to review the imported records. Make sure the essential records for your Wix website are present before moving to the next step. If your domain isn't already using Cloudflare, copy the 2 name servers provided in your Cloudflare dashboard. Next, log into the account where you purchased your domain name and open the name server settings. Replace the current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare, then save your changes. After the name server update, return to Cloudflare and wait for your domain status to become active. This may take some time while the changes propagate across the internet. Now open the DNS section in Cloudflare and verify that your Wix DNS records are still configured correctly. If Wix provides updated DNS information, make sure your records match those requirements. Next, sign into your Wix account and open your domain settings. Confirm that your custom domain is connected and set as the primary domain if needed. Finally, visit your website and test several pages to make sure everything loads correctly and that your domain is working over HTTPS. If you make additional DNS changes later, remember that updates may take a little time before they're visible everywhere. And that's how you connect Cloudflare to Wix. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.